Hey Wonderfuls! Check out the shore power I rigged in my van without cutting any holes in the vehicle. If you're in a colder climate, you're probably familiar with the old block heater cord sticking out the fronts of vehicles, or the extension cord wrapped around the side mirror. Figured it would make sense to have my shore power cord at the same spot. Under the dash, kind of near the pedals, there were two existing openings through the firewall that just had rubber plugs in them, so I popped one out so I could see it from the engine side and used a coat hanger to feed it through the opening and back into the cab. So I could tape my cord onto it and fish it back through to the engine side. Here the shore power cord is actually already in place and I'm just running the wire for my onboard battery charger. Same process though. The shore power cord was safely routed up to the front of the vehicle, right next to the block heater plug, and I can easily power both of them with one extension cord, and didn't have to cut a 2-inch hole into the side of my van.